Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my MemoryDex cards. Now, I know I've been posting a bunch of cards that I have been making, so I wanted to show you guys how I make them. I'm not sure if I'm going to decorate a card today, but I'm definitely going to show you how to get the card itself and make the little tabs so that you can decorate your own card. We'll play the video by ear and see how far we go. If we decorate, we don't. So what you're gonna need is some paper, obviously, some stickers to decorate, or chipboard or ephemera, whatever you have on hand to decorate your card. You're going to need some adhesive. I'm using my ATG gun. And if you have the MemoryDex punch, I don't have mine yet, it's on its way, but right now I'll show you guys how I do it, which works the same way and flips perfectly fine on my MemoryDex holder. So I do use a regular hole punch, some scissors, and I think that's it. And your trimmer, obviously, because we're gonna trim and score. So I'm gonna move this out the way and grab my trimmer so we can trim our paper to size. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to start off, hopefully you guys can see. Yes. Okay, so first off, before we start cutting, slipped right out of my hand, we're gonna pick the paper. So this is the Maggie Holmes Flourish. So let's see, maybe we should use this one. I don't even know. I like this one. Isn't this pretty, you guys? Let's use this one. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to cut your paper down. Oh, let me take this little thing off right here. I definitely need to change the blade on my paper trimmer. Okay. You're going to want to size down your paper 4 by 4. So what I do is I score it, and then I trim it. Okay, so to be sure that we're 4, this is not the one, so it's this one. 4 by 4, this is the one. Okay, so we got our first paper, and since this is a little bit flimsy, we're going to use another paper to kind of mat it and give it a second layer. So I have some other papers here that I could use. I'm thinking I'll use this one to mat it with, from Maggie Holmes as well, but it's from the Shine collection. So we're just gonna cut this since we already know the size. And this is super simple, you guys. You guys know that my projects are super simple. I'm just gonna add some of my adhesive onto it. Oops. And then figure out how you want your paper. So I'm gonna line it up, and it'll be like double-sided. You don't have to do this part, but I like to. Okay, so then we have this side and this side, and now we're gonna put this away. And we're going to take out our envelope punch board to make our tabs. So let me just cut some of this little excess. Okay. So whatever side you decide, whether you want this side to be your design or this side, I'm gonna go with the floral, and we're doing a maybe I'll do a right tab. So if you want to do like a right tab, what you're gonna want to do is, or maybe I should do the left. I think I'm gonna do the left. You want to put your paper at 2 3/4. And you guys, I'm going to link down below the video that I got this from so you guys can see. And this is what you're left with. And what you're going to want to do is cut that little tab off. Right there. See that? And then if you want like a little dip on the corner, what you're going to do is you're going to put it in the center of this little opening of your envelope board and punch down, and then you get something that looks like that. And I just think it looks cleaner. And then you round all your corners. Well, the remainder 3. And there's your card, you guys. You see that? How super easy. And as far as punching the holes, I use like my other card as a guideline now because I've already made a bunch, and then I just punch the hole right there, and just cut the little inside. And there you go, you guys. Got your little punched card ready to be decorated. Let's put this away and see if we can come up with something for this card. Okay, first thing, let me bring my chair in to make sure I stay in frame. First thing I like to do is, of course, you guys can see I like to do the gold edges, so I do use my painter's marker, and I just go around the edges, and you try to go slowly because I have like gone off the line. It's not a big deal, but see, I did it right now. Perfect demonstration. You just gotta try to go slow. Don't try to rush, because if not, you will go over. And it's okay because you are going to be decorating it and stuff, but still you don't want to keep going over. It's not a big deal if you do anyway. Okay, so we kind of gave the little, I want a little bit more on this one, so you can see it. And you don't want it to be so thin because then you can't see it. I like that. Okay. And this one right here. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna do. I was thinking maybe we can do some crepe paper on it. We're playing this by ear, you guys. We're winging it. So I'm gonna add some hot glue to, let's say, should I do it this way? Maybe I should do something this way. Let's add some glue here. and do the crinkling this way. And just scrunching it up as you go. That's cute. And then we're gonna take that off. And then put maybe like a ribbon or something on it. I think I have. Let's see. How does this look, you guys? I think that looks cute. And you just add some more glue to the middle where you want to like lay down your ribbon. And place it right there. And now we're gonna find maybe, let's see, something from here, from the sticker sheet. You can possibly put, oh, maybe I can put the little rabbit right here, but I need another glue stick because I'm running out of glue. Sorry if I'm not talking much, you guys. I'm just trying to be focused on this. You guys know how I get when I'm decorating. How cute is this little bunny? Look at that. Now I want to put like, let's see. I wish they had like a word that was a little bit more smaller than that one. What can we do? I don't know what to do, you guys. Should I put like a little heart right here? I feel like I want to put some words here, but these are way too big. Unless you think sunshine would be too big. Let's see. I think this would be too big to put there. What do you guys think? I wish you guys could answer me. I think that looks cute. What do you guys think? I think it looks cute. We should add maybe some more like little hearts right here, like layering them. It would look super cute. So simple but still cute. What do you guys think? I think it's super cute and it's super easy. We're just winging it. I don't know if I'll probably end up changing it later on, but for now we're just gonna keep it this way. But yeah, you guys, that is how I make my MemoryDex cards, and they're super easy to make. You guys can make a ton. I made like 10 or 15 in like an hour, and it was super fun to make. But this is the one that I made. Let me bring the focus up so you guys can check it out. I think it's cute. Simple but cute. But yeah, you guys, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.